Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your American cruise line experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful brand new American Symphony. This particular category is a private balcony. It's the AAC variety at 316 square feet. It's ample space for quite a few of our customers. Now keep in mind they do have some larger suites, they also have some smaller rooms. We have all of those on our channel in addition to the full ship tour. Now I'm going to tour the space and review the amenities here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with American Cruise Lines, whether it's on the coastal voyages, Alaska, or any of their river cruise, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, American Cruise Lines is a highly inclusive destination immersion experience. River cruising and coastal cruising is that. You're all about where you're visiting, and of course, they're going to have complimentary excursions in each and every single port. They also have some great upgrade premium options if you're interested. You can also self-explore, and sometimes you even see 2 different destinations in one day. Now, you become part of the experience when you're cruising on the rivers. You have your private balcony, you can step out, watch people fishing, walking their dogs, going past small villages, towns, and large cities. That to me is what makes it so exceptional. And then right here on board, you're also going to have an amazing premium experience. You'll have world-class cuisine for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each and every single day. You can have it down in the restaurant where you have that course-by-course served meal, or of course for breakfast and lunch. You can also head up to the cafe and have a more expedited service where you can sit outside and take advantage of the incredible aft-facing views. Now, in addition to all of that, you're going to have an open bar concept. You're also going to have entertainment that they bring on in different destinations, some amazing music. Of course, you'll have those enrichment and lecture experiences for lifelong learning. To me, you put all of that together with a beautiful room like this, and you're sure to find an exquisite riverboat experience. Now let's tour the room itself. Now, when you walk in the door, to the left-hand side here, you're going to have the bathroom. Now, as I step in there, you're going to see it's a really nice size for a riverboat. You'll have higher ceilings than normal. You're also going to have quite a bit of space here on the vanity, storage underneath as well, and you'll find those highly upgraded bath amenities. In this case, they're the Beekman 1802 amenities. We've really enjoyed them as we've sailed. You've got the toilet tucked just behind, and as I step into the shower, it is important to note I'm 6'6". I'm a really big guy, and I fit just fine in here. I love the extra clearance. You've got the adjustable shower wand. You have the rainfall shower head up above. You're also going to find more of those upgraded bath amenities. Now, depending on the configuration of how you're sailing, maybe you're traveling with friends or even a multi-generational family group, they do have some adjoinable rooms here. So you can notice that this is going to remain locked if not, and you have doors on either side. I don't think it impacts the experience at all if you're not going to share the room, but if you're interested, they do have that option, and your Harr Travel advisor can guide you through that. Now, tucked over on the side here, you're going to find your vanity. So you've got storage down below. You'll find your hairdryer there. You're also going to find a US plug and a USB charger right here, and a large backlit mirror. So you have a Keurig coffee maker. Of course, you can take that and have coffee out on your balcony. You can also head up to the lounges and take advantage of the espresso machine that's complimentary as well. Now, over on the side here, you're going to find your hanging storage. So as I open that up, you've got hanging storage all the way across here, shelves down below, and also a safe, perfect size for passport, wallet, or a smaller tablet. Now, you'll see that you have a full king-size bed. That's something I really appreciate. Premium linens, pillows, and mattresses. You've got plenty of space underneath, and keep in mind they can also have this separated into 2 twins, maybe if you're traveling with friends or other family members as well. You've got storage on either side with the nightstands. I like that you can tuck things away in the drawers. And each side also has a USB plug and a US plug. You can charge your devices overnight, and if you need to plug anything in, it's a perfect fit. Directly across, you're going to find a large flat panel TV. It's interactive, and you can see your favorite movies, shows, and of course, television. Now, you've got quite a bit of storage underneath here with all of the drawers there. You also have a nice reading chair tucked in the corner. But one of the best features of this particular riverboat is that every single room has a private balcony. Let's head out and see what yours is all about. So now we're out on your private balcony. You've got a full-size table and 2 chairs here. It's that perfect place where you can take advantage of some room service, maybe have a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, as you take in the incredible ever-changing views. To me, that's what I love so much about river cruising, is that you can be part of the life on the banks of the rivers. Of course, you're going to explore all kinds of beautiful destinations, cities, villages, towns, and excursions. But to me, sitting out here, watching the sunset, maybe having a nice glass of wine, there's something spectacular about being part of the destination you're visiting, the way you only can do with a river cruise. Now, when you're ready to book this particular room or any room or suite with American Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.